So the HT-3000. So a hygrometer is going to measure relative humidity. Obviously, relative humidity is key, not only the moisture content of the wood, but the relative humidity of the environment. We'll get into things when we discuss relative humidity, like equilibrium moisture content, EMC. And you know, we all know wood is hygroscopic. It wants to take moisture on and let it go. And when there's excessive moisture in the air, it's nothing more than water vapor. The wood is going to want to be in equilibrium with that environment. So it's going to take that moisture on and grow. And there are calculations for that by species, that whatever the rise in relative humidity versus temperature is, how much, you know, a 3-inch piece of wood is going to grow that's plain sawn. So those calculations are doable. And this meter is going to help with that. So like I said, with anything else, we can measure relative humidity and temperature. So again, if you're in a facility where you can't measure the temperature, you're going to need to have this kind of a unit. This unit's going to measure temperature and relative humidity. I mean, that's pretty much it. Delmhorst has a great reputation. You can dial in Fahrenheit or Celsius on this unit, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's probably one of the simpler of the three. The J2000 being next, and the BD 2100, just a little bit more complicated just because of all the product that it does. So again, the HT-3000, definitely need it in your truck. Relative humidity and temperature, professionally done.